guys, welcome to our channel. So for this week's video I am going to do the curly girl hairstyle videos. This is for all the girls out there who has frizzy and kind of wavy curly hair like mine. So I always had really frizzy hair and I've been always looking for hairstyle that will make my hair look kind of cute. So yeah, so for the first hairstyle, what I'm going to do is I am going to sort of braid from here and I'm going to clip it back. I think it's called Dutch braid. I'm not sure, but I got the inspiration from this picture right here. So okay guys, so for the first hairstyle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a braid down the side and I'm gonna pin it behind. So first you need to kind of divide your hair, so just separate them like this. And what I like to do is I like to kind of tie my hair to the side so that it's separated. And then I got this piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide it into 3 little sections for the braid, which you do for the braid. And it's pretty easy if you get the hang of it. It's not that tough. But what you have to do is basically, while crossing the front pieces, have to add hair. Like keep on adding hair only to the front pieces, like so, and keep on adding hair till you finish the braid. Right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically pin it behind my hair. So I'm going to take my hair and sort of remove a little bit of hair from the crown area, and you can use either really cute like bobby pins which has like rhinestones and pearls on them. You can use, before that I like to use this tic-tac pin just to kind of secure it behind. Then I like to use these pins. I think it's cute, so I like to use 1 or 2 of them like so. And you can also use like huge, like really cute pins. You can use any kind of pins you like. So I use like these 2 pins because I'm wearing silver jewelry, so silver. So I'm going to take my hair and basically hide the bobby pin or the tic-tac pin I've put, and here's the final result. Hairstyle, I think it is my personal favorite hairstyle, and this is for people who want to tame their hair and you have a lot of baby hair like me. So I have a lot of baby hair, as you can see. That is my biggest issue. So what I like to do to tame them is to do a twist on the front, and I thought I'll bring it into another twist by making 2 little buns. I love space buns. I think they look really cute. So yeah, let's get started with this hairstyle. What I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm making space buns, so I am going to divide my hair like so. and I'm going to take my hair and tie this on the side so that it's out of the way, and this hair is on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a piece here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this into two. It's not like normal braid, so I'm going to divide this into two, and I'm going to twist this, and while twisting you have to keep on adding hair. So like this, and I'm twisting and my hair is added. Again, you take a piece and then you twist and you keep on repeating that till you reach the end. So now that I've got my twisty braid right here, I am going to basically wrap it into like a tiny little bun right here. I'm going to use an elastic. Wait, there's hair on the elastic. I'm going to use the elastic and I'm going to tie it in place. This. And then I'm going to do the other side.
So, same way I'm just gonna take a chuck and I'm gonna twist it. Twist. Make sure it's tight as possible because it's a twist rather than a braid, so it might loosen up quicker. So make sure it's tight enough. Also don't make it super tight because you can see a bit of baldness in this area right here. So make sure you're not twisting way too tight, but tight enough for the braid to stay.
And this is the final look. Okay guys, so for the next hairstyle I am going to do like a very messy bun. I think it's called the pineapple, and I'm not sure if it's the pineapple because I'm gonna make it a little messy, but it's basically good for your curly hair and to retain your natural curls. But I'm not going to do the original pineapple hairstyle. I'm just going to do a messy bun, and buns are really good if you want to preserve your curls. It's not harsh, and especially if you use like a scrunchie or something. So let's get started. So first what I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm gonna make a high knot bun. Take all of my hair, and what I'm gonna do is, instead of basically first do the first tie, right, and for the second tie I'm going to basically reverse this like so the hair comes in the front. I'm going to spread this like so and just mess it up a bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like single piece and just twist them. Again, today I'm doing a lot of twists. That joke was bad. So I'm just going to twist, pieces which is coming in the front. Like so. The the next thing I'm going to do is, because as you can see, I'm gonna pull out few hairs from the side like so. I'm just gonna twist them, and what I'm gonna do is the baby hairs, which is annoying me a lot, so I am gonna take like hair gel, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a toothbrush right here, and no, I don't brush my teeth with these, don't worry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the gel, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my baby hair right here, and I'm gonna comb them down like so. And I have really like weirdly long hair, so I'm just gonna comb them down. Actually cannot see what I'm doing right now. Comb them into place, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Please comment down below which was your favorite hairstyle, and would you guys actually try those hairstyle, and hit the bell notification so you can get notified whenever we upload. And please like, share and subscribe to this video. Till then, bye.